Amazing. So, welcome again, guys. Here in this video, as usual, I'm trading here on iqoption. As you can see, guys, I'm trading on iqoption. Here, as you can see, this time I'm investing, $300 or sorry, $200, and yeah. So this position is going down. Yep, this one is going down. As you can see here, we have in this, and then here it's 100% going down. As usual, uh, I'm trading binary option Euro USD. As you can see here, Euro USD as usual. If my projection is 100% right, I'm making $170. So 85%, $170. And if my projection is wrong, in this case, I will lose all my investment, the $200. All right, so hopefully my projection will be right. Here, as you can see, I'm using the Bollinger bands. So Bollinger bands, as you can see, these three bands are called Bollinger bands. I'm using also RSI, the 10 period, RSI here, and I'm using the dots from parabolic SAR. So parabolic SAR, RSI, and Bollinger bands to predict the movement of this candle. So yeah, my prediction was 100% right. I made $170. Yep, $170. Okay, let's go to the next prediction. Next candle, if we take a look at what's happening with the RSI, this one is almost 100% going up. So like 90% sure this one is going up, and this candle is going to be a green candle. This one is going to be a green candle. So I guess that we are making another $170. So I'm investing $200, $170. Why I am always successful, guys? Simply because when I invest $200, that's nothing compared to what I have here. So my balance is too large. That's why even if I'm losing perhaps 100 or 1,000 times, that's nothing. I need to lose more than 1,500 times to lose all my money. All right, hope you understand that. So guys, if you want to learn the strategy I'm using here, as usual, I explain the strategy in the course in the description below. So in the description below, so as you can see here, what happened, I was talking and I made a mistake here. This one was supposed to go down. All right, this one was supposed to go down, but unfortunately I chose and I clicked this uptrend by mistake. I clicked higher, but that's okay, that's no problem. So I opened another two positions for the low position, and see, I made this time $140. All right, $140. That's why, because I did a mistake by opening a high position at first, but this time I have no problem opening a high position, because here I'm 100% that this one is going to be a green candle and it's going up. All right, so that's what I do. I usually do. Yeah, subconsciously, when I open a wrong position, for example, if here I opened a short position or a call, a put, then I suppose that I will open two other positions in the opposite direction. So I will make a loss here. All right. So as I was saying, the strategy I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. In the course, I will teach you everything I learned over the years about binary options, all the indicators that I use, the techniques, the methods, the strategies, everything is explained in the course. So if you are interested, I invite you to go and try to learn a thing or two from the course. Yeah, here what you're looking at is another investment of course for $200. This one was supposed to go up, but even if I'm having a green candle going above this line, it will be great. So in this case, even here, as you can see, even with the green candle, I opened a long position, but even with the red candle, sorry, I'm winning. So I'm winning, as you can see. Yeah. So that's it. So as expected, a red candle, I opened the high position, but I opened the high position with a lower price. So even with the greener, so here also, here I must have a green candle. So if I have a smaller green candle, I could lose my money, you know. But I'm sure this one is going up. Don't worry, this one is 100% going up. All right, this one is 100% going up. So what's happening here? And then here, then here, then here. All right, so sorry. Once you understand the strategy, once you master my strategy, you will understand what I'm doing here. Great, great. $170 again. I still have two positions to open. I will open two positions, and we will see. So this one is also going down, going up. Sorry, this candle must be a green candle. Look what's happening here. All right. So this one is going to be a green candle. So look at the RSI. Look what's happening with this candle. So I invested $200. I'm losing $200 at this moment, but just wait for it. Give it time. That's what you need. You need to give time and be patient with your strategy. By the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only, and hopefully from me you will learn a thing or two. Great.